Thank you.
Yep.
What's up?
Oh, Lord almighty.
What?
I am like really clunky.
What's clunky? Oh, damn, this is dank. This is yummy jummy.
Shout out to little sister Nikki.
I feel it. Get your ass at the whip. You want to show them my skate actually? You want to pull it out or you want me to? Oh, Lord, that is worse than I thought. Plop it on the ground. That's what happened the other day that I was telling you guys about. That's sad, huh?
Not really. My Christmas tree is pretty messed up as well.
Oh,
your
Lord,
fly's
it's cool.
unzipped.
It's always unzipped. Don't touch.
Oh, I think I zipped up.
You zipped up my dick.
Yes.
It's some guy that wants to come buy that car right now. And the other person's not coming
From Seattle?
till next weekend. So what do I do? Should I sell it? I hate holding cars for people. She's a little warped, a little burnt on the end, but you know what's funny?
What?
I told my dad how much horsepower the Evo made. I was like, Dad, I finally turned up the Evo. And he's like, that'll really help with getting speeding tickets.
Well, baby, I think I've said that to you too. It's only the truth.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to what?
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 I got blood all over my boots.
You went like a millimeter deep, dog.
Oh.
And they're boots. That's what they're
No,
made for.
no. These are not that kind of boots. What car are we shoveling out today?
We are gonna unbury the Scion FRS. That used to be cool. You know how long it's been since we had this car on the YouTube channel? How long has it been?
Long, like a month.
A month? Oh yeah, I guess we did put the tires on there a month ago.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been forever. But today, I'm gonna pull this car out. The rebuild is starting soon. I did end up selling these headlights, so I gotta pull my headlights off. Oh wow. And I just want to get it out of the snow and like into the shop, you know?
Good luck.
I'm gonna call that good there.
No.
What do you mean no?
Get the snow out of the back tire area.
Well, I'll just tow it out with my truck.
Oh.
But I have a feeling my air right's completely frozen.
Probably.
And I have a feeling my battery's dead.
Probably.
Nice. Okay. Yeah.
What you're gonna want to do.
I can't air it up. I'm about
Listen. Okay. What you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to start your car.
I can't. My battery's dead.
What you're gonna want to do is bring Taco all the way around here. Hook her up. Turn on your car.
So here is the scoop with the FRS.
What you doing?
What? The battery's dead. The car's aired out fully. There's no air in the tank. Air ride is frozen. Did I mention it's aired out all the way? I'm gonna grab my Tacoma, put it in four low, hook it up to the FRS and drag it out. So wish us luck that we don't destroy the FRS today. All right, Bobby's gonna try to tow the FRS out. Let's see what happens. All right, hit it. All right, stop. It's gonna rip the bumper beam off. It's not gonna work. Try to start it up. We got the truck hooked up to the FRS battery. Bobby is gonna try to start it up because we were trying to tow it out when it's fully aired out, and I was about to rip that bumper beam off. Sick. She's alive, boys. What do you gotta say?
This is too much for me. Too much of a pain. I say I own like 2 cars and call her a day.
So miraculously, the air ride is not actually frozen on the car. I lied earlier. It's airing up right now. The tank's pretty much full, so I'm gonna try to air it up and then just full stead back out of there, and hopefully we can send it. But it's probably not gonna happen because it's kind of buried, so we'll probably have to tow it out along with the power of the FRS. But let's give it a shot anyway.
Oh, crusty.
You're good. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. What are you munching on? Poop?
For you.
How sad. But hey, at least it's out of the snow. Alright guys, well we got the car in the shop, thankfully. Well, one of the main reasons why I had to pull it in the shop today is, like I said earlier, I sold my headlights and it makes me sad.
So you gotta take those bad boys out?
Yeah, well I just want to get out of the snow too. One of these days I'm gonna get the shop really warm, thaw this car out, clean it, wash it, clean the inside, just like care for it again.
Yeah, I'm excited for that day too. I think we all are.
I know. Quick little update if you guys are wondering what I'm doing. I ordered everything for the whole new front end already. I'm waiting on some vinyl wrap companies to get back to me. Wheels are being built here soon. Yeah, a lot of dope stuff to come with this car, and this hood's really heavy. Let me show you all the different modes with these headlights. They're so freaking
Stand
epic.
over on the other side.
You can do red, green, blue, yellow, purple, blue. But
That color's so pretty.
see how it's my blinker too? If you guys want this exact set of headlights built, use my discount code DVN75 over at litlights.com. It'll save you $75 off a complete pre-built set of headlights, like custom made, however you want them made. These are pretty sick. I built these myself, but like I said, Lit Lights can build you the same exact set. DVN75 saves you $75. Sad. This is a sad day in history.
No, babe. It's a good day. It's the start of a new build.
Big facts, big facts. I don't want to turn them off.
Turn them off. Say goodbye.
All right, let's pull them off. What a sad day in history, Haas. Next up on today's agenda is to go see if this homeboy wants to buy the Subaru WRX. I feel kind of bad because I told this dude I'd hold it for him till tomorrow. Damn, one second. Take a look at that sunset. Okay. There was supposed to be a guy coming 8 hours to pick this car up tomorrow, but he's not coming. He said he'd come next weekend, so I literally hate holding cars for people because that kind of stuff always happens. But if this guy doesn't want it, then I'll hold it till next weekend.
How long have you had it?
6 months maybe?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll tell you the backstory on this car. I got the car and the bottom end was shot on the car, so I put a new motor in there. I was gonna use it for a winter car, but I have a Evo as well, Mitsubishi Evo.
Yep.
And so it's like,
Yeah, you don't need to.
yeah, exactly.
So when you did, bottom end swap?
Full long block, just
Okay.
full
Oh, okay. So just
running
the whole-
motor. Yeah, just dropped
And
it in.
did you find a crate or did you have one just junk?
There was a local guy parting out his wrecked WRX,
Okay.
so I bought it off of him. Yeah.
Does that mean that the title is rebuilt?
No, title's
Okay.
not rebuilt. Yeah, clean title. Yeah. So yeah. So,
Anything else other to it other than like the normal stock stuff?
yeah.
But so yeah, just as soon as you got it.
yeah, right when I got it, I put honestly like not very many miles on it. Like I said, I was gonna use it as a winter car because my Evo's pretty low.
Yeah.
And I don't want to beat that car up too bad. But then we never got any snow, so I put it for sale, and then we got dumped with snow.
Of course.
But now I think winter's finally done, dude. Yeah, these things are unstoppable in the winter, man. Wow, he's ripping.
Woo!
Goodbye, old friend. All right, guys. Well, he ended up buying the Subaru WRX, so now I am down to 4 cars.
Wait, it's not focused on me. Okay, there.
You're tripping me out. So yeah, both WRX wagons are sold. I bought one of them for a winter car. I bought the other one to flip, and I didn't use either for a winter car. Sad.
I told you. I literally told you that was gonna happen.
What?
Listen to Bobby.
What did you?
I told you that you were not gonna use either one for a winter car.
Well, we never got snow until now.
Honey, calm down.
Right. If you're pumped for the FRS rebuild series coming soon, go down below, smash that thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.